Dust on your Nikon D850's mirror is an image quality killer, but cleaning it safely is easier than you think. First, ensure your camera is fully charged, and then locate and press the playback button. Navigate to the camera's setup menu using the directional pad. Scroll down to the lock mirror up for cleaning option selected, and confirm. You'll hear the mirror lock up, exposing the mirror surface. Gather your essential cleaning tools: a blower bulb, a soft, static-free lens brush, and a dedicated sensor cleaning swab or fluid for mirrors, if absolutely necessary. Begin by using the blower bulb. Hold it a few inches away from the mirror and give it several firm puffs of air. This is your first line of defense against loose dust particles. If dust remains, take your soft brush and gently brush the mirror in one consistent direction, ever back and forth. The goal here is to lift, not smudge, any adhering dust. For any stubborn smudges or fingerprints, and only if absolutely required, use a sensor cleaning swab specifically designed for mirrors, or a tiny drop of sensor cleaning fluid on the swab. Gently wipe the mirror in a single, sweeping motion. Wipe in one direction, from edge to edge, to avoid creating streaks. Never touch the mirror directly with your fingers. Once you're satisfied with the cleanliness, press the playback button again and select Lock Mirror Up for cleaning in the menu to unlock the mirror. And there you have it, a clean Nikon D850 mirror, ready to capture your best shots. Remember, gentle is key.